Hello everyone, welcome to Shandong Longze machine. This is Jerry. Now I'm in Indonesia for installation a complete wood pellet production line. And behind me you can see that we have a lot of wooden pellet. And we use this material to make pellet. First, we should use a large wood crusher to crush the wooden pellet to small wood chips 3 to 5 centimeters. And as you can see, this large crusher with a 132 kilowatt electric motor, the capacity 15 to 20 tons per hour. And input we have a chain conveyor 6 meters, and the output of the wood chips will be collected with one more output conveyor, and then the wood chips will go to this belt conveyor 10 meters, and because this wooden pellet contains a lot of iron and steel, so we must have an electronic belt type magnetic remover. And as you can see, that's today we make running the machine, and those are the steel we separated from the wood chips, and those two are the electric panel for crusher and hammer mill. And as you can see that this is our hammer mill with 132 kilowatt electric motor, capacity 5 tons per hour, and this is an clean and efficiency installation. The output through the bottom double screw conveyor, and on this part is an pneumatic dust collector system, and this installation can save your factory installation space, and it's much clean and save labor work. So all the output sawdust go through this belt conveyors to storage here. And because the wooden pellet is dry enough, so we don't need a dryer, and those finished sawdust will go directly to our two pellet machines. The pellet machine is 132 kilowatt, and two pellet machines can reach 3 to 4 tons per hour. And those finished wood pellet can be sold to a local industry. If you are interested or you like Longze machine, please send your inquiry, and we can give you the best service. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye bye.